Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I received this message. Someone asked how to share Wi-Fi password via QR code. Instead of giving the person password, you just need to have the person scan the QR code for your Wi-Fi, and it will connect automatically. So what I want to show you is how to do this. Okay, so this is my phone. So we go to the settings. Okay, once you go to the setting, then you go to this is you go to your connection. Okay, and select, and now you can see the connection. You can see the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and FC and contactless payment. So you select on the Wi-Fi, your own Wi-Fi. Okay, once you select on it, then you go to the settings by the side here. Select on the settings, and once you select on the settings, the next you see is it will show you the information of the Wi-Fi. Okay, and then this is at the bottom here. You will see forget and QR code. Select on the QR code. Once you select on the QR code, then you will see the QR code information. Scan this QR code on another device to connect to the network without entering the password. So you can select quick share, nearby share, okay, or save as image. So you can save this as image, for instance. Okay, this QR code now save as image. So instead of you showing this process, you can just go to you can share this, okay, to somebody. For instance, I want to share this. Select share, and this information now, then you go to WhatsApp, okay, and send it. I'm going to send it to myself. Sent. Okay, you can see the QR code sent, and now this information is sent on my WhatsApp. Then also as we scan save it, then we need to go to the gallery to check this QR code. Okay, so what we need to do now is to go back to the gallery. Okay, this is the gallery. We're going to see, here we go. This is the QR code we saved. So guys, this is what I want to share with you, how you can do this, how you can share your QR code to somebody else, to a visitor, instead of the person typing the password, okay, for your Wi-Fi. You can just get a person to scan the QR code and it will connect. Okay, so guys, if you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.